33% profit and a 2.8 profit factor in just a few days. And no, this is not magic. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I used Gemini AI to build this highly profitable, fully automated trading bot. Now listen closely. If you want the exact script for this strategy completely for free, do not skip a single second of this video. I hid the instructions on how to download it somewhere in the middle of this video, and if you skip ahead, you are 100% going to miss it. If you have ever traded with a prop firm, you know a dark secret. Just making a profit is not enough to actually get a payout. According to data analyzed from over 17,000 prop traders, we know exactly what makes the top 5% of traders consistently profitable. Most people fail because their risk metrics are terrible. To guarantee we secure the maximum possible payout, we are going to engineer this AI bot to hit two extremely strict targets based on official prop trader data. Target number 1. To become a profitable prop trader, your average win has to be greater than your maximum loss. The data proves that if you can keep your maximum loss to less than half of what you make from an average winning trade, you can be in the top 7% of successful prop traders. This proves to the firm that you cut your losses immediately and never let one bad trade ruin your account. Target number 2, a massive profit factor. The statistics show that if you can make your total profit generated from winning trades 2 times bigger than the total amount lost by losing trades, you can increase your payout amount up to 5.6 times. We are setting our bot's target even higher. We must achieve a profit factor greater than 2.7 to guarantee we are in the absolute top tier of profitable traders. You do not need to know how to write a single line of code to do this. Today, I am going to reveal the exact step-by-step prompts I gave the AI to transform the standard Blackflag indicator into an emotionless trading machine that shatters those prop firm requirements. Let's jump right into step 1, finding and extracting the code. First things first, open up your TradingView chart. Go to the top of your screen and click on the Indicators tab. In the search bar, type in Blackflag FTS. You are looking for the exact one published by the username Doik. Go ahead and click that to add it to your chart. Now we need to get the source code. Hover your mouse over the indicator's name in the top left corner of your chart. Click the source code icon. It looks like 2 curly brackets. This will open up the Pine Editor window at the bottom of your screen. Click inside that window, highlight every single line of code, and copy it to your clipboard. We have our engine. Now it is time to build the bot. Open up a new tab and head over to Gemini. Paste all that code you just copied directly into the chat box, but do not hit send yet. Right below the code, you need to type out this exact foundation prompt. I will read it for you now. Here is the Pine script code for my TradingView indicator. I want you to convert it into a strategy that executes trades automatically. Change the study to a strategy and add basic buy and sell execution commands when the trend changes. Hit enter. Within seconds, Gemini will rewrite the code from a visual study into an active strategy. But if you just run this base code right now, you will get chopped up in sideways markets. We need precision entries. If you are following my $100 account challenge, you know we cannot afford sloppy entries. I only want to enter the market when the price pulls back exactly to the deepest discount level. Furthermore, we need to stop the bot from taking multiple trades in the exact same zone and draining our account with broker fees. So we go back to Gemini for step 2. Modify the strategy so it only executes a trade when the price pulls back and touches the F2, 78.6% line. Also, add a 15-candle cooldown timer after a trade closes so the bot does not overtrade in the same zone. This prompt is the secret sauce. By telling the AI to only buy at that specific F2 line, we are forcing the bot to be patient and wait for the absolute best price, just like a professional trader would. Okay, for everyone who didn't skip, thank you for watching. Here is how you get this exact fully finished strategy code for yourself. All you have to do is go down to the comments right now and type the words, day trading. Just comment day trading, and I will personally reply to your comment with the free document link where you can copy and paste the final script right into TradingView. But listen to me carefully right now. Do not go use it yet. If you do not apply the risk management settings I'm about to show you in Step 3, you will blow your account. Step 3 is Master Risk Management. If you are trading with a small account, risk management is the only thing keeping you in the game. You need to lock in profits fast, but also leave runners open to catch massive trends. To do this without TradingView causing math errors, we use a triple entry method. Go back to Gemini and give it this final, highly specific prompt. But before we look at the final results, there is one last crucial step. Step 4 is strategy optimization. Now that the bot is perfectly coded, we have to tune its engine to match the exact market we are trading. Click the gear icon on your new strategy and go to the Inputs tab. To get the exact win rate and profit curve I showed you at the beginning of this video, you need to match the exact settings you see on the screen right now. Update your ATR period, your ATR factor, and your cooldown candles to these exact numbers. And here is the most important part for prop firm traders. We have to make this realistic. Prop firms charge fees, and live markets have slippage. So we went into the Properties tab and set the commission to 7 and the slippage to 5 ticks. We did not run a single test without factoring in these real-world trading costs, which proves this strategy actually survives live market conditions. Now, look at these results again on the 1-minute chart. 33.26% net profit, a profit factor of 3.476. We completely crushed the prop firm requirements, and our maximum loss is practically non-existent compared to our average win. But I know a lot of you prefer a slightly slower, more relaxed day trading approach. Watch what happens when we switch this exact same strategy over to the 15-minute time frame. The AI logic adapts perfectly. We are looking at an absolutely massive 136% net profit and a profit factor of 7.957. It catches the exact same high probability pullbacks, just on a much larger scale. Whether you are aggressively scalping the 1-minute chart or smoothly day trading the 15-minute chart, this AI-built system protects your downside and maximizes your upside to secure those prop firm payouts. Now, before we wrap up, if you are someone who still prefers to trade manually, I want to show you a quick sneak peek of something revolutionary I've been working on called ChartMind AI. All you have to do is take a photo or screenshot of your trading chart and upload it to the site. That is it. The AI instantly analyzes your chart and tells you exactly if you should buy or sell, where your stop loss should go, where your target should be, and the exact reasoning behind why you should take the trade. Think about it like this. If you are about to execute a trade with a $20 stop loss, why wouldn't you spend just $1 to have an advanced AI verify that exact setup for you? Spending $1 on ChartMind could literally save you from executing a bad trade and losing that $20. It is the ultimate safety net for manual traders. I will leave a link to it down in the description below, so make sure you go check it out. If you want to see me let this exact automated bot loose on the live markets for the $100 challenge, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below letting me know which indicator I should automate next. Let's conquer the charts together. Thanks for watching The Power of Trading, and I will see you in the next video.